Hi, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I got my hair like this. So I got this heat protectant serum from Walmart. The brand is Heritage. However, I do use Design Essential 6 serum as well. I'm not going to be doing too much talking because the video is pretty much self-explanatory and you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going to show you what I do and not show you the styling of the wig. This is going to be a very short video. However, if you like to see the styling of the wig, just let me know in the comments and I definitely can post that for you. When flat and ironing my hair, I start my sections just enough for the flat iron, not too less and not too much, of course. I don't want to do too less because I don't want to take a long time on this, and I don't want to do too much because I don't want to miss any hair. Before I start flat ironing hair, I make sure that I comb from the bottom and gradually go up top just to make sure that any kinks or tangles is out of the hair. Typically, 1 pump of serum is good enough. However, I was struggling, so it looks like it's about 10 pumps here. Rub the product in your hand so the serum can get on top of the hair section and on the bottom of the section. As you can see, I'm combing again. Everything has to be aligned. So I'm starting with my flat iron and I'm going to chase. Now that I've said all that, I'm done talking in this video. If you want a little recap about Silk Serum, read the description below. You can get this Heritage product from your local Walmart. Also in the video I mentioned earlier that I like to use Design Essential Silk Serum. I love the product. You can get it off of Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for me or want to let me know how the products work for you, feel free to comment below. And if you want to see more hair content or don't mind seeing more hair content, feel free to subscribe so you can be notified when I post more videos. Hope you all have a good day.